Hi, this is Chris Escato, VP of Sales for Salamander Designs, and I'm here at Infocom 25, and we're showcasing our extra large electric lift. Now, this one is certified for the Microsoft Surface Hub. It has an 85-inch Surface Hub on this. We also have ones that are certified for the 50-inch as well, including one that's electric lift and goes all the way flat as well. So it's an electric lift and tilt. Now, this has over 2 feet of travel. It's actually incredibly silent. Goes up to 63 inches center of screen and down to about 36 inches center of screen. So here we have one of our electric lift carts. So our carts go from a 175-pound display all the way up to you can do a 300-pound display on our extra large electric lift cart. Now here we're showcasing our ability to mount the Cisco WebEx board, which is not a standard Visa compliant display. However, we work with both the 55 and 75 current Pro boards, as well as many of their legacy boards as well. So a few of the really cool details about this cart is how sturdy it is. So it's very easy to move this, even on carpet, as you can see. It has lockable wheels, and on the back you can have up to 5 RUs of vertical racking. We also have a nice storage cover. If you're using a standard display, we also have all the mounts for your cameras and speakers and other accessories that you may want to include on the mobile cart. On the bottom, you can have up to 30 feet of retractable power cable, has a tri-tap on one side and 30 feet of power on the other, and also a retractable Ethernet cable as well. If you'd like to know more, go to salamandercommercial.com.